Tired of batteries that are unsafe, can't power your home or die too soon? ECO-WORTHY presents the POWERMEGA 314, redefining home energy storage like never before. 4 layers of security so strong, no electrical hazard stands a chance. With the massive 16.076 kWh per unit, expandable all the way up to 241 kWh. At the heart of it all are our premium grade A cells, backed by a bold 10-year warranty. Now it's time to unveil the POWERMEGA 314. Okay, let's see what's inside the box. You'll find the POWERMEGA 314 itself fully assembled and ready to go. 2 manuals, one for the battery and one for smart monitoring. 2 AWG cables with MA terminals, making cable upgrades a breeze. Plus an RS485 communication cable for parallel connections. L-shaped mounting brackets and terminal covers, and all the hardware you'll need for installation. Now let's take a closer look at the battery itself. The battery measures about 33 by 20 by 10 inches, weighing around 280 pounds. As you can see, it's compact, space-saving and rock solid. The POWERMEGA 314 features hidden handles and heavy-duty casters, making it easy to move, just like a piece of furniture. Now let's take a closer look at the interface layout. Here are the positive and negative terminals. Large MA terminals rated up to 250 amps, making DIY wiring and upgrades a breeze. This is the new and improved breaker, featuring a 250 ampere thermal magnetic trip switch with a separate release. Even if the BMS fails under extreme conditions, this breaker can cut the power on its own, giving you an extra layer of protection. Right here, you've got the power switch to turn the battery on or off. The indicator light shows its status instantly. These LED panels let you quickly check the battery's performance, see any issues and know exactly how much charge is left. This is the reset button. It restores the BMS to factory settings. And here's the dry contact. With these 4 switches, you can set the address anywhere from 1 to 15, allowing up to 15 batteries to be connected in parallel, achieving an impressive maximum capacity of 241 kWh. That's more than enough to keep your off-grid lifestyle running smoothly, even during a power outage. In the bottom right corner, you'll find all the communication ports. There's RS485 and CAN ports used to connect with inverters. They support common communication protocols and are compatible with most major inverter brands. The RS231 port can be connected to the host system or solar auxiliary equipment. RS485 in and RS485 out ports are used for parallel connection between batteries. The battery features a large 7-inch high-resolution display on the front, bigger than similar products on the market, making all the information easy to read at a glance. Through this screen, you can always check the battery's SOC, voltage, current, capacity, and other information at any time. All the status info is clear and easy to read, giving you peace of mind. In addition, you can download an app for local Bluetooth monitoring or remote Wi-Fi monitoring. More detailed information can be viewed by connecting to a PACE host computer or SA via the RS232 interface. Ports alone don't guarantee a battery will last. The internal workmanship matters too. Let's pop the cover and see what's inside. Unscrew these screws to open the electrical box cover. After opening the lid, what appears before us is the neat internal structure of the battery. Remember, always wear protective gloves before touching any cells or circuits. When you open the cover, you can see that there is a Wi-Fi antenna here, which will enhance the signal. Each cell has a double layer protection, a PC sheet and an epoxy board. This keeps the cells safe and insulated. Inside the battery, the wiring is neatly arranged for a clean and organized layout. There are 16 true A-grade home storage cells, all surrounded by metal casing for extra protection. This sturdy design ensures reliable performance over the long term. The BMS is placed on the side of the battery with some extra space around it, making maintenance easier over time. It also features active balancing with two 2A channels, helping the cells stay evenly charged for long-term reliability. The battery's main positive, main negative and series connections all use flexible copper bus bars. Compared to silicone wires, these bus bars handle higher current, provide more reliable connections and take up less space. On top of the cells, you'll find an aerosol safety module that can quickly release gas in case of an emergency. The blue wiring is neatly arranged above the pressure valves, ensuring protection is triggered immediately for an extra layer of safety. So why is the POWERMEGA 314 a reliable choice for home energy? Let's recap its core strengths. First, unbeatable capacity. Up to 241 kilowatt hours of storage, equivalent to about a week's electricity for an average household, eliminating your power worries. Second, the battery offers broad communication compatibility for seamless connection with leading inverter brands and provides multiple smart monitoring options, including a 7-inch color display, app and a PC software for real-time control and system insights. Third, the confidence behind our 10-year promise, the quad-layer safety system. Layer 1. Genuine grade A home storage cells provide a solid foundation for long-term battery performance. Layer 2. A multi-level protection system integrating BMS with a circuit breaker featuring a shunt trip, actively monitoring battery status in real time to enhance safety. Layer 3. The BMS is upgraded with active balancing, improving cell consistency and extending battery lifespan. Layer 4. A robust structural design, equipped with an aerosol fire suppression module, acts as the final line of defense in emergencies. All this is built on ECO-WORTHY's 12 years of industry expertise and our commitment to true grade A cells, the foundation of our 10-year warranty and long-term reliability. Compared to similar storage batteries, the POWERMEGA 314 is more compact and flexible to install, making it ideal for home energy storage, garages, off-grid cabins and attic spaces. If you're looking for a clean, safe and easy-to-move solution, this battery is a great fit. Now, you can find ECO-WORTHY POWERMEGA 314 lithium-ion phosphate battery on our official website and Amazon. Plus, the more you buy, the bigger the discount. Trust me, you're going to love our prices. Follow us on YouTube, Facebook and Instagram for the latest product news, exclusive promotions and surprise giveaways.